Hello, let's do a tub sort for the long E and long I sounds in the middle of words. Do you remember this sound and motion we make for long E? Make 3 trees and have Eve leap over them, saying the E sound. Let's see what's inside of the long E tub. What is this? It's a tree. What sound do you hear at the end of tree? E. How do you spell the long E sound at the end of tree? E-E. What is this? It's a leaf. What sound do you hear in the middle of leaf? E. How do you spell the long E sound in the middle of leaf? E-A. What number is this? 3. What sound do you hear at the end of the number 3? E. How do you spell the long E sound in 3? E-E. What is this? It's a wheel. What sound do you hear in the middle of wheel? E. How do you spell the long E sound in the middle of wheel? E-E. What is this? It's cheese. What sound do you hear in the middle of cheese? E. How do you spell the long E sound in the middle of cheese? E-E. What are these? These are teeth. What sound do you hear in the middle of teeth? E. How do you spell the long E sound in the middle of teeth? E-E. Do you remember the sound and motion we make for long I? We pretend to pedal a bike. I. Let's take a look in the long I tub. What is this? It's a dime. What sound do you hear in the middle of dime? I. How do you spell the long I sound in the middle of dime? I-E. What is this? It's a bike. Just like in Ike's night bike ride, we made a text-to-text connection. What sound do you hear in the middle of bike? I. How do you spell the long I sound in the middle of bike? I-E. What is this? It's a kite. What sound do you hear in the middle of kite? I. How do you spell the long I sound in the middle of kite? I-E. What is this? It's a bride. What sound do you hear in the middle of the word bride? I. How do you spell the long I sound in the middle of bride? I-E. What is this? It's a tire. What sound do you hear in the middle of the word tire? I. How do you spell the long I sound in the middle of tire? I-E. And what is this? It's a slice of pie. What sound do you hear at the end of the word pie? I. How do you spell the long I sound at the end of pie? I-E. Now all the objects are mixed up. Can you help me sort them back into the correct tub? Thank you. Which tub does the tree go in? Think, think, think. Tree. It goes in the long E tub. Which tub does the kite go in? Think, think, think. Kite. It goes in the long I tub. Which tub does the bride go in? Think, think, think. Bride. It goes in the long I tub. Which tub do the teeth go in? Think, think, think. Teeth. It goes in the long E tub. Which tub does the dime go in? Think, think, think. D-I-E. It goes in the long I tub. Which tub does the pie go in? Think, think, think. P-I. It goes in the long I tub. Which tub does the number 3 go in? Think, think, think. E. It goes in the long E tub. Which tub does the cheese go in? Think, think, think. Cheese. It goes in the long E tub. Which tub does the bike go in? Think, think, think. B-I-K. It goes in the long I tub. Which tub does the tire go in? Think, think, think. T-I-R. It goes in the long I tub. Which tub does the leaf go in? Think, think, think. Leaf. It goes in the long E tub. Which tub does the wheel go in? Think, think, think. W-E-O. It goes in the long E tub. Thank you for helping me get everything sorted back into the correct tub. Thanks for watching. Bye.